If you're passionate about cooking and enjoy experimenting with different recipes, this Masterbuilt 3-in-1 10-liter XL electric fryer, boiler, and steamer combination is a must-have addition to your kitchen. This versatile appliance not only saves space, but also offers incredible functionality, allowing you to fry, boil, and steam a wide range of foods. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features, performance, and benefits of this remarkable appliance, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your culinary needs. Upon unboxing the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 10-liter XL electric fryer, boiler, and steamer, you're greeted with a sleek and robust stainless steel design. The appliance exudes quality and durability, promising years of reliable service. The package includes a large 10.6-quart cooking pot, a versatile cooking basket with a lifting hook, drain clips, and a magnetic breakaway safety cord. The removable hinged lid and built-in drain valve are thoughtful additions, ensuring easy use and cleaning. The Masterbuilt 10L XL electric fryer is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Its stainless steel body is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The extra-large cooking pot can accommodate up to a 20-pound turkey, making it perfect for large family gatherings or festive occasions. The magnetic breakaway cord is a smart safety feature, ensuring that the appliance disconnects easily in case of accidental pulls, preventing spills and accidents. The cooking basket with a lifting hook and drain clips ensures safe and efficient food management. The basket hooks onto the side of the pot, allowing excess oil or water to drain off easily. The removable hinged lid and built-in drain valve further simplify the cleaning process, making it hassle-free and efficient. The performance of the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 electric fryer, boiler, and steamer is where it truly shines. The powerful heating element quickly brings oil or water to the desired temperature, ensuring consistent and even cooking. The adjustable thermostat allows precise control over the cooking temperature, making it suitable for a wide variety of recipes. As a fryer, this appliance excels in delivering crispy, golden brown results. Whether you're frying chicken wings, French fries, or even a whole turkey, the Masterbuilt fryer ensures that your food is cooked to perfection. The large capacity of the cooking pot means you can fry large batches at once, making it ideal for parties or family meals. When it comes to boiling, the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 is equally impressive. From crawfish boils to boiling pasta or vegetables, the appliance handles it all with ease. The large pot allows for even cooking, ensuring that your food is cooked thoroughly and evenly. Steaming with the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 is a breeze. The appliance is perfect for steaming vegetables, seafood, and dumplings. The adjustable thermostat allows you to control the steam intensity, ensuring that your food is cooked to your liking. The large capacity means you can steam large portions at once, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. One of the standout features of the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 is its healthier cooking design. The appliance uses 1.3 times less oil than traditional deep fryers, reducing the fat content in your food. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt, making it a great choice for health-conscious individuals. Safety is a top priority with the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 electric fryer, boiler, and steamer. The magnetic breakaway cord ensures that the appliance disconnects easily in case of accidental pulls, preventing spills and accidents. The cooking basket with a lifting hook and drain clips ensures safe food management, allowing you to remove your food from the hot oil or water without risk of burns. Cleaning and maintaining the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 is a breeze, thanks to its thoughtful design. The removable hinged lid and built-in drain valve make it easy to empty excess oil, water, or other liquids. The stainless steel body is easy to wipe clean, and the cooking basket and other components are dishwasher safe, ensuring a quick and hassle-free cleanup process. Masterbuilt is known for its excellent customer support and reliable products. The 10L XL electric fryer, boiler, and steamer comes with a comprehensive warranty, ensuring that your investment is protected. Should you encounter any issues, Masterbuilt's customer support team is readily available to assist you, providing peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 10-liter XL electric fryer, boiler, and steamer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that offers incredible versatility and performance. Its robust build, large capacity, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're frying, boiling, or steaming, this appliance ensures consistent and delicious results every time. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, the Masterbuilt 3-in-1 electric fryer, boiler, and steamer is an excellent choice. Its healthier cooking design, safety features, and easy cleaning make it a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and enjoys experimenting with different recipes. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.